Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to factory reset a Cisco lightweight access point. In this example, I'll be using a Cisco 2800 series access point. Let's begin. We'll begin by logging into the AP with a console cable using the default password and username of Cisco. To factory reset the AP, we must delete the files stored in NVRAM. NVRAM stores all the configuration files. Before we can erase the files, we must enter the command debug capwap console CLI. After deleting the files, we can reload the AP and you will have a factory reset device. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.